大家好，今日係5月20號星期二，今日港股開市微升嘅，恒生指數升65點，國企指數升26點，科技指數升11點，小米升1點，而阿里巴巴升0.67，但係咧美團跌1.1，比亞迪跌1.1%。咁但係咧就醫藥股做好石藥，因為有隻 cancer 藥咧獲快速通道，升3.87，係升幅最大藍籌，亦都帶動咗恒生指數升3.2%。咁阿里健康升3.1%，係升幅最大嘅藍籌。開始之後咧，港股係急升嘅，恒生指數升200幾點，到接近中午咧就升幅再擴大到300幾點。小米升3.5%，阿里巴巴升2.6%，友邦升2.9%，咁就醫藥股升幅再擴大，石油升8%，中生就升5.2%，海深就升4.9%，係升幅最大嘅藍籌。仲有汽車股上升，理想汽車升3.3%，比亞迪升1.6%，吉利升1.5%，零跑升3.3%。上週收市恒生指數升301點，國企指數升110點，科技指數升69點，成交1211億元。下晝升幅擴大到300幾點，最多升到係23709，升387點。小米升4.5%，阿里巴巴升2.8%，友邦升2.8%，美團升2.1%。比亞迪升2.67%，中國移動升1.8%，匯豐升0.82%。寧德時代上市第一日掛牌急升18%，去到311點皆大歡喜。茶飲股再升，茶百道升7.8%，股明升3.3%，蜜雪升1.8%。收市恒生指數升348點，國企指數升128點，科技指數升60點，成交2057億元。醫藥股同埋寧德時代急升，帶動港股。Hi everyone, today is May 20th, Tuesday. The market opened slightly higher this morning. Hang Seng Index opened up 65 points, Exchange Index up 26, and Tech Index up 11 points. Xiaomi rose 1.2%, Alibaba rose 0.67%, but Meituan lost 1.1%. Medical shares, pharmaceutical shares rose sharply. CSPC received accelerated approval process for one of its cancer drugs. CSPC rose 3.87% to lead the blue chips. Other pharmaceutical shares also rose. And then the markets rose further, first by 200 points and then by 300 points. Xiaomi rose 3.5%. Alibaba rose 2.6%, AIA rose 2.9%. Hang Seng Index closed the morning up 301 points. Exchange Index up 110, Tech Index up 69 points, and turnover was $121.1 billion. The market rose a little bit further in the afternoon. Hang Seng Index reached a high of 23,709, up 387 points. Xiaomi up 4.5%, Alibaba rose 2.8%, AIA rose 2.36%, Meituan rose 2.1%, BYD rose 2.67%. CTAL cattle soared 18% to $311 on its trading debut. Everybody was happy. Pharmaceutical shares rose further. CSPC rose 6.2%. Hanson Pharmaceutical rose 8.7%. And 3Bio rose 36%. And tea drink shares rose again. Chabaidao rose 7.8%. Wuming rose 3.3%. Mixue rose 1.7%. Hang Seng Index closed the day up 348 points. Exchange Index up 128 and Tech Index up 60. Turnover was $205.7 billion. Pharmaceuticals and cattle, CATL, soared today to lift the market.